everyone, welcome to my channel Mel.Holistic. I'm Mel, short form for Melissa. Are you feeling lazy and perhaps very busy with your work or your life that you have no time to do any exercise but you're still watching this video? Well, you're not alone because sometimes I feel lazy too, and those are the times where I will do yoga on the bed, lying down, or obviously now I'm on the mat, so we can do it on the mat as well. So if you're feeling lazy but you still want to do some yoga, this is for you because most of the poses are going to be lying down flat. So once you're ready, grab onto your mat. You can be on the bed, anywhere you feel comfortable for a lazy person like you today or me. Alright, and then let's follow me. Alright, now let's lay down on our mat as promised because this is yoga for lazy people and busy people. Okay, so let's relax on the mat with our knees bent. Now can you stack your right foot over your left knee, coming to figure four, and using your hands to grab the back of your left thigh and just pull your legs closer towards your chest. Now we are what going to do in this figure four pose is that we are essentially stretching our glutes, opening it up a little bit. And you can straighten your left leg if you want, your left knee if you want to, or just stay bent in figure four. But if you straighten out your left knee, we are working two parts of our body at the same time, which is very good for lazy people because kill two stones with one bird, right? Did I just say kill two stones with one bird? It should be kill two birds with one stone. You see, today my mind a little bit lazy, that's why. Okay, so you stretch your left hamstring and you stretch your right glutes. Killing two birds with one stone, not the other way around. And we switch legs. Now left foot up and straighten your right knee if you want to, or just keep it down. Okay. And feel the stretch in your left glute, straighten out your right knee if you want to. Breathing in and out. Good. And release the legs. Now coming into happy baby pose. So just bending both knees and grabbing the sole of your foot from the inside. And just push your thighs down, shaking your hips from side to side in happy baby pose. Right, if you're feeling lazy and you don't want to shake from side to side, fine, just keep it here in happy baby without moving. Alright, now straighten your knees, keep your feet 90 degrees. If you're feeling lazy again, use your hands to hold on. Let some blood just flow down from your thighs, from your feet down, back into your body in lazy yoga. Alright, just shake off your legs, shake off your legs. Okay, lower your left leg down. If you're feeling a bit guilty of being lazy, you can keep the left leg off the mat. Just keep it afloat to engage your core muscles. But if you're feeling lazy, fine, you can cheat. Left leg down, right knee still up. Alright, you can use either your hand to grab onto your ankle or your thigh, or just use a belt to hook over your foot and pull it close to your face to whichever height you can. If you're feeling less lazy, then by all means lift your left leg up. Work out a little bit. Okay, now we switch legs. Left leg up, right foot down, or right leg in the mid-air to feel less lazy. But lazy people, okay, right leg down then. You just try to pull your left leg closer towards your face. Oh, I love yoga for lazy people, don't you? Just lie on the mat or on your bed. And we release. Alright, good. Okay, now bend both knees, dropping your knee to your left side. Open up your right hand out. Look over your right shoulder. And we switch side. dropping your right leg over to your, both legs over to your right side now. Look over your left shoulder this time round. Good. And now we turn around to lie on our abdomen. Okay, coming into this pose where both of your elbows are together. Your chin is supported by your palm. And just walk your elbows forward, palms are together. Alright, keep your legs straightened, toes flat. So essentially we are stretching the front of our neck here. And just breathe in and out. Relax in this pose. This actually helps to relieve stress, in case if you don't know. Exhale, keeping your mouth closed here. Alright, now bend both knees. Alright, because this is lazy yoga, so we will not do too strenuous. So just using your palms to push your feet down beside your glutes. So just stretch the front of your thigh. And breathing in and out. In and out. And release. Now the next pose, which is the least lazy pose, I guess, because you have to get out from the mat, is child's pose. Still suitable for lazy people, right? Okay, resting child's pose. Good. Alright, now just lift up your butt just a tiny little bit. Okay, feeling regretful for being lazy now? And it's come into extended puppy pose. So just stretching out the front of your body, lengthening your back a little bit, giving it a good stretch and arch. And one more breath in, one breath out. Okay, and come to sit facing forward. And let's just do some final breathing in and out to end the lazy yoga class. So let's breathe in, hands up. Exhale, hands down. One more time, inhale. Exhale, hands down. One last time, inhale. Exhale. Alright, now palms together in front of your heart center. Now gently bow to yourself. Namaste. Good job. Even though you're feeling lazy, you're probably busy, you still did it anyway. So if you like what I have done today, which is out of my usual norm, you know, the more serious type, today is a more fun, lazy type, give me a thumbs up, like, give me your comments, what are the other videos you want me to do for you, what are your questions, and remember to subscribe so that you'll be notified of more videos that I'm going to upload for you. So till then, take care and see you in my next video.